Okay, imagine an AI that doesn't just follow instructions, but it actually discovers brand new ways of solving problems. And I mean ways that are better than anything a human has ever designed. That right there is the promise of AlphaEvolve. It's this groundbreaking system from Google DeepMind, and it's built to invent totally new, super advanced algorithms, literally from scratch.
So why is this such a big deal? Well, let's just jump right to the heart of it with a question. How do you solve a problem that has stumped the smartest mathematicians for over 300 years? See, the answer isn't just about some new piece of tech. It's about a fundamental shift in how we even think about solving problems.
The core issue here is something we can kind of think of as an invisible wall of complexity. So much of our progress, everything from science to the tech in your pocket, it all hinges on one thing: finding better algorithms. And algorithms are really just, better recipes for getting things done. But there's a bottleneck, and, well, it's us. It's human ingenuity. Designing truly new, game-changing algorithms is incredibly difficult, and it's slow. It takes this rare mix of intuition, creativity, and just deep, deep expertise. We were pretty much hitting the ceiling of what we could do on our own. Until now, that is. This is where AlphaEvolve completely changes the game. It's a totally new approach. We're talking about an AI coder that doesn't just write what you tell it to, it actually evolves better ideas. So what is it exactly? Well, at its heart, AlphaEvolve is what you'd call an evolutionary coding agent. It uses the incredible power of large language models, think Gemini, to discover and fine-tune algorithms for some of the toughest problems on the planet. The best way to think about it is like digital natural selection, but for computer code. So you have Gemini acting as this creative engine, just churning out thousands of possible solutions, almost like genetic mutations. And then a totally ruthless automated process comes in and tests every single one. Only the fittest code, the fastest, the most correct, the most efficient, only that survives to influence the next generation. So the engine driving all of this is a pretty simple but really powerful process called the AlphaEvolve loop. It all starts with a prompt that defines the problem. Then Gemini goes to work generating a bunch of potential programs. An evaluator scores every single one of them for, fitness. And this is the really clever part, the best programs are used to evolve the next prompt. It pushes